Hi guys, welcome from Tech Tips, and today I am going to share you a very important tutorial for the YouTubers. Very often we become very disappointed when we upload a video in YouTube for the first time because we are not getting expected views on our videos. So today I am going to show you a small trick how you can increase views of your channel in YouTube. And this is not a very big deal, it's just very simple work, and I'm talking about thumbnail. Why thumbnail is very important in YouTube? This is the question. You see a lot of videos are using a lot of thumbnails because in which video you want to watch, because the thumbnail will attract you more, will click on this video and then watch the video. Suppose if you want to search here how to make chicken fry, CHICK, chicken fry, yes, that's it. That doesn't mean that you will always watch the video which appear before, or if you're on top of the list you will click the video which thumbnail looks very attractive. Thumbnail is very attractive to gather some viewers, attract your viewers to click on the video. So a thumbnail is very important for YouTuber. Whenever you are uploading a video on YouTube, it will be very attractive. It should be very attractive. Should be very attractive. I repeat, because they won't read a lot of things about video. They don't know anything about video. They will just get an idea about your video by seeing the thumbnail of your video. Look at this thumbnail. Every video is a high ranked video. This, look at the watch, how many views it has got, how many views it has got, just to watch. And look at this thumbnail, all are very attractive. Then why you won't click on this video? After watching this video, you will be tempted to click on this video to watch the full video. So users, remember, it's very important for you, it's very important for you to create a attractive and nice thumbnail for your video. That doesn't mean you have to use a lot of text on the thumbnail. You have to use the solid and exact meaning of your video in the thumbnail. And you will have, I will give the details of thumbnail in the details, and which size you have to take it. It will be 1280 and 720 pixel size, and I'll give the details of the video. If you don't want to know the size, just search here YouTube video thumbnail. Sorry, just search YouTube video thumbnail size. Just click on it. Google will automatically tell you in which size, which is appropriately. That's it. 1280 into 720. That means width should be 1280 pixel and the height should be 720 pixel, and the maximum resolution of is 640. That's the size. And you can, if you do not know the use of Photoshop, Illustrator, or any other Photoshop software, you can make it online. I'll give you some link in the description to make your attractive thumbnail online. So guys, hope you like this video and enjoyed. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to share a lot of YouTube tricks in my channel. Just watch watch the full video of my channel, and hopefully it will be very much beneficial for you. Goodbye.